Hello, boys and girls. Yesterday we worked on the number 3. So your learning target was I can show different ways of making 3. Today we're going to work on the learning target I can show different ways to make the number 4. So the way that we show it with our fingers is like this. If you you just tuck your thumb under like that, just like this person is doing in the picture. That's the number 4 if you count your fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can also look at it as we have 5 fingers on one hand, and if we take away 1, we have 4 left. The way that we practice writing 4 is we learn a rhyme, and it goes like this: down and over, and then you pick up your pencil and then say, and down some more. That's the way you make a 4. So you could do it again with your finger, down and over and down some more. Do you notice how this the side of the over goes a little bit past the straight line down? So make sure that you make your 4 to look like that. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. We'll get better with practice. So the way that we spell the word 4 is F-O-U-R. Touch and spell it with me. F-O-U-R, 4. So the way that we make an F is, where do we start our letters? At the top, top, top. So we always start our letters at the top instead of at the bottom, because you have a lot more control of your pencil. So we're going to go pull back and straight line down, and then pick up and straight line across. And then that O, we practice doing some small circles. Start at the top, control your pencil all the way around. This is a U, where you start at the top here. We go down, around, up, tick, 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 and down to the foot line. We start right here at the top of the line on the R and go straight line down. Come back up that line. Remember, I always say tick, 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 out and curve. So that's how you do it. That's how you write the number 4. There's my dice. So we're going to make the dots to look just like they would look if we rolled a 4. Okay, and then on our 10 frame, I think I used red yesterday too. We're going to make 4 dots. 1, 2, sorry, it shakes my phone that I'm recording on when I do that, when I color. So we feel we only have 1 empty box on that top row to make 4. Just like we have 1 finger tucked, we have 4 empty boxes, or 4 filled boxes, 1 empty. And then if it's a 10 frame, then we have the whole bottom row, which is 5, and 1 more makes 6. So 4 full and 6 empty. Ooh, we get to practice doing some more 4s. Down and over and down some more. Remember, we're leaving a finger space so we can tell that it's just the number 4 and not 44 or 444, sorry. Down and over and down some more. If we had this really close together, it would look like 44 or 444 or 4,444. So we have to leave a little space so we know that that's a different number. And then remember, we're going to do our most careful work, and then after we're finished with all of our 4s, if we come to the end of the line, I think this is my best 4, so I'm going to circle it. Just like the other days, we're going to rainbow color the number 4 and bubble letters and the word 4. And then I think I'll use a different color to show the number on a 10 frame. We already did that once. So I know that it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I leave 1 empty box. And then we already did the die too. It's just more practice. That's really good, because a lot of times in kindergarten we play games with dice. And so if you know what a 4 looks like right away, if you practiced it a few times, then you'll know that that's a 4. You won't have to count the dots. And then on our domino, you just have to make the number 4 some way. So this time I'm going to make 3 and 1. Maybe tomorrow I will get out some dominoes and show you the different combinations. Show the number with tallies. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomorrow we're going to do something pretty tricky. And then we're going to color in 4 stars today. Okay. Maybe I'll do like red and blue for the red, white, and blue. Okay. I will finish once I turn off the camera. Have a good rest of your day. You can make a math choice on Clever. I'll see you tomorrow.